What's happening, you guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about how to use a credit card to buy PSN Plus. Before we get started though, I'm going to give you guys a top secret trick that can save you a lot of money. I recently found out about this, so here it goes. If you want to buy PSN Plus, I would say Black Friday or anything closer to Christmas time would be the best time to buy it. Just because the reason that it's going to be on sale like this one. Right now it's on sale for $20 off, and at this time of the year, normally it's always on sale. And given that you buy it for a year, it's going to expire at this time again, and you can get the discount continuously. And one more thing before we continue on, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content like this. Now let's get started. If you didn't know, PSN Plus actually gives you free games every couple of months, so make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube gaming channel that you will be able to see on the screen right now. Yeah, don't bother, he's not that good. I know that I'm not good at it, but I can still show you guys the actual gameplay before you guys go ahead and spend your time downloading the game. So you start off by going into PlayStation Store, then scroll down to PS Plus option from the left menu, then choose the membership type you want. In my case, I'm going to choose the 12 months one. If you have already bought this subscription, at some point it'll say extend. However, if you'd never bought this before, it'll simply say buy for you. The button does the same thing, just the title might be different. After this, it'll add this to your shopping cart, so simply press proceed to checkout option. This is where you can choose the method of payment. Simply choose the add a credit card option. It'll take you to the process of simply entering the credit card information, the name and home address and everything that's on the file for you. If you have the right kind of information and everything goes well, processing this should be a very easy thing to do. Now, this will also save the Visa information on your account as well. That's why now you will have to be extra careful about how you share this account. Then it'll take you back to the confirmation page of purchasing it. Once you double check and proceed to pay, the system will notice that the Visa payment method is still there and it's set to be the default method on your account. You choose that payment method and simply confirm the purchase, and that's it. Welcome to PSN Plus membership team. Now, given that you have the credit card information saved on your account, that could turn into an ugly situation in case someone ends up having access to your account. I'll show you guys how to delete this information from your account as well. For that, just go into settings, account management, account information, then scroll down to wallet and click on payment method. It's going to ask you for the password again, and this is where you can either edit the credit card information or simply delete it. And once you click on the delete option, it's going to ask you to confirm it, and once you confirm, the credit card information is all gone. That's it for today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.